I look so naked. I don't even recognize myself.
Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this makeup transformation, then you must go watch us put makeup on the most tattooed man in the world.